कंज्यूम हो गया और ये भी नीचे हो गया, तो ये इसको भेजना कम कर देगा, करेक्ट? बिकॉज दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ फायर विच हीट्स और कीप्स द ब्लड वार्म। ओके, हार्ट में भी कोल्डनेस आनी चालू हो जाएगी। दिस इज व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग ब्लॉकेजेस इन द हार्ट। ओके, दिस sadist here is what creates terminator personality types. So you have to literally see where did the sadist, you have to identify the sadist. The symptoms you will already know. Symptoms all the masochist will give. Sadist will never give any actual symptoms. Actual physical symptoms sadist will never give. But simple. हाइपोथायरॉइडिज्म है दीदी, किडनी में पेन होता है क्या? नहीं ना। अभी अभी पहले कभी कुछ नहीं था, करेक्ट? दैट इज द लास्ट। द सैडिस्ट विल डिलीवर सिम्टम्स एब्सोल्युटली एट द फैग एंड। ओके, टिल दैट टाइम द सैडिस्ट इज अ फैंटास्टिक, they play very beautiful camouflages. Okay. They wear a mask. Okay, and you cannot.
Change. If each company will change a different mask, till you don't know what exactly will be.
Oh, 147. Chalo, lunch.
They will shut it.
अगर large intestine में कफ है, okay, so you will find the pulse here, नीचे मिलेगा. So when you are looking like this, आपको यहाँ पे pulse मिलेगा. Okay? Correct? In which case, you will definitely have chronic sticky constipation. Okay? 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 दिन तक motion नहीं छूटता है. You will definitely be a person who holds on and sticks to old ideas, ideologies, things, relationships, bonds in life. Okay? These people are very, very afraid of letting go of anything. Okay? They will want to hold upon things. If you look at them, they will generally start accumulating a lot of belly fat. Not only the belly fat, but a good sign to observe. The belly fat can be happening because of indigestion also, which is the ama in Ayurveda. Look at their hips. If they are accumulating at the hips and at the buttocks, it means they are not ready to let go of their sticky patterns in life. Okay. Getting this?
Question.
Yes.
It is because of vata आपका large intestine को करते हैं.
हाँ. Organ में. Correct. Now we are going. Butterfly press था. Now you press deep press. Deep press is exactly. So butterfly के थोड़ा सा नीचे जाओगे ना, तो आपको deep press मिलेगा. And suddenly you will find that the pulse has changed. You will experience it at a different level. Correct? Are you? That is the lungs. Lung is a beautiful, the yin organ. Lungs के ऊपर तो और पूरा दो चार दिन आप बोलोगे तो मैं कहानियां निकाल पाऊँ. It is that beautiful. If you are finding,
लिख सकते हो guys.
lungs, large intestine.
But layer wise.
ये है ना. समझाते जाता हूँ.
लिखते
ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का लिया, अब ये लंग्स का ले रहे हो. अच्छा, अब मेरे को ये मत पूछना कि ये तो वैसे आप राइट हैंड में दिखा रहे हो, करेक्ट? बट आपने डायग्राम बनाया लंग्स और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन उल्टा लेफ्ट साइड पे. ये क्यों? सॉरी, थोड़ा सा डायस्लेक्सिस. जब बना रहे थे ना, तो पेशेंट का जैसे दिखते हैं तो वो ऐसे दिखते हैं, तो वो हिसाब से, तो वो पेशेंट का वो साइड पे आता था रहा है, तो वो हिसाब से बनाते थे. मिस्टेक. But then now I'm used to it, so that is how it is. You can switch it ulta for your reference. Doesn't matter. Okay. lungs. Can you feel your pulse of the lung? Now that you have done a couple of things since yesterday, today, we've worked on ourselves. What type of pulse are you finding? If it is Vata, you are in a state of overwhelm. You are in a state of chaos. You are confused. Thought processes are very scarce and random, but you really do not understand what is happening around you. It is also a feeling of wonderment. Oh wow! पता ही नहीं, दिमाग बंद हो गया. Correct? If that is what is happening, but if it is happening to you chronically, तो अगर हर थोड़े दिन में अगर आप अपना पल्स चेक कर रहे हो, तो you'll be able to find what is happening in my life. Oh, my life is in a chaos. Okay? So lungs will tell you life is in chaos. Your experience of life is in a chaos. It is not in order. Getting this? अगर वो पित्ता पे मिलता है, correct, perfect पित्ता, you are having a very deep spiritual understanding and experience. Everything is in that eternal present, and you start immediately understanding. Experientially, you start understanding how the nuts and the bolts of the whole universe operate. You will start understanding everything. You don't have to read about it. You don't have to contemplate about it. You don't definitely never have to Google Baba about it. You will automatically start. You can look at something and you can exactly know how this is made, how this functions, what it does, what will happen if I use that white flower for making a particular medicine. वो किस चीज में काम में आएगा? वो automatically that science starts unloading into you. Getting this? If you find inside the lungs kapha, which is the saddest, how will you find that pulse? वो नीचे मिलेगा. Okay. And this is what sadistic pulse does. When you press ना, तो वो एकदम नीचे होगा. When you press, वो एक झटके के लिए ऊपर spike up करेगा, and it will spike down again, as if practically it has disappeared. Correct? That is a sadist reacting to you identifying that it is there. So it is like a snake. It will first try and attack, but a sadist is always driven with insecurity complex. So the next moment it will try to hide automatically. A sadist is always like a snake. Okay. Defense, and it knows that I have to make the defense also in such a way that the person should not realize. This is how snakes bite. फट करके आके काट के भाग जाएगा, तुमको पता भी नहीं चलने देगा. Correct? That is exactly how sadistic behavior functions. If you have a sadist over there, or if you have a bounding kapha over there, bounding kapha means you will pulse एकदम नीचे की साइड पे यहीं पे मिल रहा है, but continuous है. In which case you know that there is a lot of kapha congestion in the lungs. It definitely makes you feel constricted. It feels you limited in life. It makes you feel depressed. It also makes you feel hopeless. It makes you feel. A lot of people come and say, you know what? I feel like my whole pericardium, heart, and lungs is moist. I feel coldness inside. Correct? That is kapha in the lungs, excessive kapha in the lungs, and it constricts who you are. It also gives you a lot of limiting, self-limiting beliefs. कि हाँ ये सीख तो लिया मैंने, but ये मैं कर नहीं सकता. I can never fall into this discipline. So these people belittle themselves. They feel belittled. They feel small. They feel short. That is why we say, I am feeling short of breath. Because they feel short. They literally feel short inside. Correct? All types of depressions, be it active, be it chronic, be it classical, be it maniac. In maniac depression, you will find a kapha and a vata spike mixed together. माने वो वैसे तो नीचे है, फट करके ऊपर आएगा और वो कोलैप्स होगा. दैट इज लिटिल मैनियक डिप्रेशन. समझ रहे हो? Kapha. Okay, the ojas in the body is at the lungs in certain manner. In Ayurveda we call it avalamba kapha. Okay, that is stored in the lungs. अगर पित्त ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, that person will definitely start having mild runny nose continuously. माने कुछ भी जरा सा भी उसमें हीट बढ़ गया, थोड़ा सा भी एक्टिविटी किया ना, तो उनको रनी नोज होता है. ओके, उनको स्नीजिंग होते ही रहता है. दे स्टार्ट रिएक्टिंग. सो दीज आर इम्बैलेंसेस ऑफ पित्त दोषा इन द लंग्स एंड द कोलोन. क्लियर? नाउ वी गो टू द लेवल 2. पित्ता.
इसमें पित्त पे है बीटिंग एंड पित्त का जो बीटिंग है वो एकदम सेम चल रहा है. दैट इज बैलेंस.
कम अगेन.
सेम चल रहा है. जो रिदम है वो अगर सेम चल रहा है तो उस स्पाइक में
तो बैलेंस में
परफेक्टली
Perfectly
एकदम सेम होना चाहिए.
व्हाट डिड आई से? पित्ता. परफेक्ट. उसमें भी पित्त में भी सब जगह पे पित्त का पल्स मिला. ऑल दी ऑर्गन्स. हाँ, यहाँ पे भी मिला, यहाँ पे भी मिला, यहाँ पे भी मिला, यहाँ पे भी सब जगह पे बैलेंस में चल रहा है. परफेक्ट. ट्रूली एनलाइटेंड. गेटिंग दिस? Any confusion? नेक्स्ट पे चले. Now we will go to the left hand side, which will give you the heart and the small intestine. उल्टा. हाँ, always this way. ऐसे. हाँ.
I am not able to sense any of the pulse.
You go deeper. Awareness.
To solid balance. Solid balance.
ये क्या?
जो फर्स्ट किया वो करने राइट हैंड से लेफ्ट चेक किया.
Experiencing chronic bloating with a lot of acid reflux. Correct? Small intestine एसिड आता है, वहाँ पे वात बड़ा रहेगा. पित्त वात दोनों बढ़ते हैं जनरली. वो जैसे ऊपर रिफ्लक्स मारते रहता है. खट्टी डकारे वाला जो अगर एसिड रिफ्लक्स आ रहा है राइट टिल द चेस्ट और इवन द थ्रोट, तो अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. ओके, अगर वहाँ पे पित्त और वात बढ़ गया है, you also understand कि eat whatever food you are putting, because पित्त और वात तो ऊपर चढ़ रहे हैं, तो अंदर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में पित्त कम पड़ रहा या कम पड़ जाएगा. ठीक है? in which case whatever food you put there, it stays mildly undigested always, which is what starts creating the ama, which is the undigested toxic waste. What is undigested toxic waste? What is am? Have you seen the fire? ये यहाँ पे बाहर फायर का वो बनाया हुआ है, बारबेक्यू. ठीक है? If you see black soot on the peripheries and at the bottom, that fire did not burn rightly. Okay? The mistake, maybe the wood was either too dry or it was a little moist. Correct? It would also be कि सही प्रकार का ऑयलिंग या घी नहीं डाला है. वैसे ही जला के जितना जला वो जला, जो नहीं जला वो वहां पे अटक गया. That is exactly what happens to your food when it stays undigested. Okay? That then somehow the body uses more of the prenatal energy from the spleen, the pancreas and the kidneys to move it somehow slowly from the small intestine into the colon over time, but by the time it reaches there, it is already practically rubberized, and then it just sticks to the walls of your colon, and that is where all the diseases start burgeoning. From the colon, we reabsorb the nutrition, but with that nutrition, we are reabsorbing the toxins in our body, and that is how ailments start spreading from there. Getting this? अगर इसमें वात ज्यादा है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, ओके, यू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि let's say if I take a grain of food and if I use a torch lighter, correct, will it actually burn? क्या होता है मालूम है? उसका खाली आउटर कवरिंग जो है ना, वो फट से जल जाता है और अंदर कुछ नहीं होता है. You need slow burning fire. Getting it? If the flame is too high, and let's say if I keep a fruit, which is what most people are trying to do, no, fruit खा रहे हैं, ठीक है? Already वो एक तो high flame है, which means कि the fuel is running low. Correct? बोलते हैं ना, दिया जब बुझने वाला रहता है तो सबसे ज्यादा भड़क के बुझता है. The moment you put a fruit juice, raw food, excess liquids on top of it, now that fire, what does Ayurveda say? Fire plus water is pitta, correct? But now it is that acid is of a cooler temperature, and if the acid is of a cooler temperature, it just sits there without doing its job again, which again adds to ama. Okay? But now that acid is slowly burning the mucous membranes and the linings inside the body. Okay? That is what creates joint dryness. That is what creates joint stiffness over time. Getting it? If there is perfect pitta in the small intestine, जो भी खाओ घोड़े की तरह, रात को 3 बजे को उठ के खाओ, हजम होता है. How do you identify if you have a weak small intestine or weak gut? आईने में जाके खुद का टंग चेक करो, अगर व्हाइट या येलोइश लेयर है, okay, it is full of toxins. Okay, if your tongue is bright pink, your body has detoxified fantastically. Okay, the digestion, assimilation, absorption, and excretion function, which is governed in combination not only with the colon but the spleen, is again very important to detoxify the body. All of them are strong, in which case they have done the function right. Okay. अब नीचे चलते हैं. ये हो गया. अच्छा, सॉरी, हार्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वजीर